$60 million, $60 million, going once, going twice, going, oh, this is a super home. Malibu is the famous California location. Join me on this talk through of this incredible piece of real estate. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Here we are. We've got a night shot and already we're taken in by this amazing, incredible home. Look at this driveway coming down, grass interweaved between the stone, and it looks just super duper. There we have the night shot. It's almost like a house meets a nightclub, and they got married, and this is what it looks like in the evening. So much on show. Oh my gosh, it really is. It feels like a bit of Hawaii as well there. But there we have it. We've come in. It's a feeling of Indonesia as we see this Asian artwork here, on this Asian symbolism here. Stone paneling coming up the wall. That in itself is quite prestigious. And then we see this water area with water coming down the side of this wall. So just incredible. Palms there too, looking so good. We see a waterway almost like a moat. Again, stone being used as an art feature with these small taps trickling water in. Imagine walking around here, you're relaxing and unwinding, showing your friends around your $1 million mansion. $60 million just with a price reduction of $8.8 million. And there we have an amazing indoor-outdoor flow as well. Great use of timbers and LED lights, a circular one here. Heat lamps outside, barbecue area, double barbecue, a smoker there, and just looking so good. What do we say? What do we say about that view? It is simply tremendous. It is the grand Pacific Ocean at Malibu, and it looks stupendous. With a pool in the back, a swim-up bar, and more. This great breakfast setting. I'm in love with this Malibu mansion, 60 million USD. On this talk through, thank you for joining me. Look at this, all lit up around here, giving you that illuminated experience. Aquariums coming back in, that's for sure. They are coming back into mansions. Aquariums doing very, very well these days because of how much light they give, and they just bring things to life. Huge dining area, lots of chairs, crushed velvet chairs in orange, or more like a rusty orange there. Views out, LED lights used again, big high ceilings, timber in use, lovely gardens here, lush, the paneling of Indonesia again in the back, or Asia. And then we see some very, very, very interesting furnishings. Stay with us, there's more to come on this one, because this house is simply amazing. Look at this, all these different textures, a lot of money here, doing all of this, all these different fabrics, custom design couch. Indeed, look at that, they've lit it up now. Lights seem to be interlaced as a theme to this whole property. Loving the purples here, loving the green and orange. Then this bar is looking wonderful as well. Wine cellar at the back, all lit up again, and some wonderful lounge chairs as well. It's simply incredible, really. It is quite an exquisite home. Wall garden there. Very modern these days to do that. Scandinavian timbers everywhere. Stone wall feature with incredible veins through the stone. Lovely pillarless glass and an amazing walkway. Supporting kitchen here and balcony off. We've got the samurai suit. It actually could be a real one, and that would mean it would be worth a lot of money. A lot of money indeed. In its own cabinet. And then we see a theater as well. They've used the lighting system again here. We've got this interesting mottled green fabric here, almost a worn look, and just a very different style and quite funky looking carpet there as well. What a theater, not seen one that looks like that at all. Indoor-outdoor flow from the master bedroom, very clever indeed. These curtains to keep the sun out in a dark color if you just want the natural breeze of the Pacific Ocean. And then sliding doors or windows coming across, depending how you look at it. I call them walls because they're huge. Pacific Ocean looking so good. Look at your chairs here. Having a drink, gin and tonic, and looking out over the grand seas. Great use of green stone here. Told you it's worth waiting as we look around this amazing home. Look at the light, interlaced. It's a clever use of lighting here. This person is in love with lighting, in love with artwork, fabrics, and stunning homes. Look at the vein in this. The stone is just tremendous. Neutral colors and lots to like. Cabinetry and more in this walk-in robe, which is just tremendous. Views of the sea all around. Great use of the positioning of this home. Big door there and a lovely headboard built in all the way into the ceiling. Just tremendous as well. Into the shower room, and we see stone used again. This is just mega money. This is the lifestyles of the rich and famous. This is how they live, with this extraordinary expense on these homes. And this one is no different. It is simply stunning. The pool is amazing. Sunken lounge there too, with mixture of fabrics and just a collection of everything. This is just such a good property. It is beautiful. And that is why it is $60 million. 11870 Ellis Street, Malibu, California, 90265. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Thanks for watching. Loved that one. Please subscribe. We appreciate that as we build this channel up. We love real estate. Love looking at properties around the world. Thanks for joining me. See you on the next one. Bye for now.